Hello, scholars. So today we are on session 11. So we have a new target. We are learning to compare and contrast the main idea and key details of two texts about the same topic. So we already practiced finding the main idea and key details of a text last week. So we're already starting right up here. And our goal by the end of the week is to get up to our number 3 goal that matches our target, that we can compare and contrast main idea and key details of two different texts about the same topic. So to get us ready for this, today we're going to simply just focus on comparing and contrasting, okay? So when you are on the assignment on Google Classroom, you saw that there was the link to this YouTube video, and there's also the to-do list that tells you to complete the Seesaw Activity, the first one. That will take you here. So your job is to choose any two people or things to compare and contrast. I'm going to do two sports. Soccer and football. Okay, so I know that one bubble here, the blue bubble is going to be soccer. My red bubble is going to be football. In fact, I'll change the color of the font just to get us. And soccer is blue. Perfect. All right. So as we see here, in this blue bubble, we're going to talk about how soccer is different from football. So let's start with that first. I'm going to say that only the goalie can touch the ball with his hands as one reason. Okay. Now let me think of another. Soccer, each goal is worth 1 point. I know we don't call it points really like we do in football, so I could have said each goal is worth 1. Right now, remember, we are in 3rd grade, so we want to make sure that we have at least 3 reasons for each, right? 3 is our magic number. 3 stands for 3rd grade also. Okay, so only the goalie can touch the ball with his hands. Each goal is worth 1 point. The only pads people wear are shin pads. Maybe you call them shin guards. Okay. So now I can use these 3 reasons for how soccer is different to help me come up with reasons for football. So for football, I can say that, I'll make it red again for football, that everyone can touch the ball with their hands. Okay. And there are a lot of different point values, since there are different ways to score, right? Like a touchdown is 6 points, extra point, there's an extra point, just 1 point. There's a 2-point conversion for 2 points. A field goal is 3, a safety is 2, right? Okay. And I can go back here. Soccer, we said the only pads people wear are shin pads. In football, I can say that players wear shoulder pads, helmets, and I believe knee pads. Maybe there's some sort of like shin pad built in the football pants. Again, Miss Hazel only plays flag football. She has never played tackle football, so I'm not 1,000% sure. Nice. So we started with how they are different, or I did at least. Now we can think of some things and make them alike or the same. I wonder if you can think of any right now. So I'm going to make the alike. Whoops. No, I don't want to do that. There we go. I'm going to make the alike boxes purple because red and blue make purple. Again, when you do this, you do not have to color code it like I do. I just like to, so I'm doing that. So actually, each team has 11 players on the field. Okay. We can say that well, yeah. They are both sports. And they are both known, both can be known as football. Now, soccer is known as football. Okay, so we could say they have similar names. Let's go with that instead. See how I can just fix it because I didn't like the way I worded that? So they have similar names. Okay. And that's that. So now you are going to have the chance. Right now, you can choose any two things or people, whatever. And you're going to do what I just did, compare and contrast. Okay, so when you are done comparing and contrasting, you can read. You guys will like this. You can read whatever you want today. Okay, you don't have to read nonfiction today. Woohoo, I know you're happy. So you can read whatever you want for 20 minutes. Then you're coming back to your assignment here. The second Seesaw link, I know that's not there yet, but it will be, is your exit ticket to show me how you can compare and contrast. So let me just show it to you really quickly. You'll have the chance to drag these words into the categories if you were to compare and contrast a skateboard and a car. So this one will just simply be dragging, okay? You do not have to worry about this second page here. In fact, there we go. All right, so that will be your exit ticket. So right now your job is to read for 20 minutes and then complete this exit ticket to work on comparing and contrasting so that we can get ready to meet this 3 goal where we can compare and contrast main ideas and key details. All right, get to work, scholars.